Hi students, these days I am not feeling so well, that's why I did not able to give videos on YouTube. Uh, Today I am going to explain you one important chapter. That is previous video I already make on trigonometry, uh, basic concepts of trigonometry. All concepts I already provide there in previous video. আগত যেটো ভিডিও দিছিলো সেই ভিডিওটো trigonometry গোটেই বস্তুখিনি মই যিখিনি ফৰ্মুলা প্ৰয়োজন আছিল গোটেইখিনি দি দিছিলো এতিয়া এক্সাৰসাইজ এটা আজি মোক কোনোবা এক্সাৰসাইজ 8.32 কৰাৰ কথা কৈ আছে সেইকাৰণে মই আজি এক্সাৰসাইজ 8.32 কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো now see easiest chapter see here one question is there question number 1 evaluate sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. Now see, we know only the values of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. We know these values, but we did not know this value. 18 cos 18 or sin 18, we did not know that value. Then how to do it? See, first you have to see, you add any two here degree, any two degrees. Here see 18 plus 72 is equal 90. That means আমি কি করি এই দুটা প্লাস করতে 90 হইছে বা বেলেগ কোয়েশ্চন করতে বেলেগটো মই বুজাই দিম এই দুটা করতে আমি কিমান পাইছো 90 পাইছো that means আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা যিকোনো এটা চেঞ্জ কৰিম okay now see sin 18 to বাৰ আমি sin 18 বুলি লিখিছো then cos 72 in place of 70 suppose there is one number that is suppose one number is there 7 okay one number is there 7 we can write 7 is equal how much 10 minus 3 okay 7 is equal how much 10 minus 3 like this way 72 can be written as we know the formula for 90 minus theta 90 minus 18 is equal how much 72 okay here we will put 90 minus 18 okay now see one formula is there I already this in previous classes how to make this again I am telling see sin cos tan cot sec and cosec একটা সিরিয়ালে মুখস্থ কৰিবলৈ গৈছিল সিরিয়ালে মুখস্থ যে আছে তেনেহলে 90 minus theta is relation between first and second third and fourth fifth and sixth okay sin 90 minus theta is equal cos theta sin 90 minus theta is equal cos theta cos 90 minus theta is equal sin theta then tan 90 minus theta like this way sec 90 minus theta is equal cosec theta like this way now see here sin 18 write as sin 18 now cos 90 minus theta we know cos 90 minus theta is equal sin theta see here theta is there that's why here this one is theta but here this one is 18 then you have to write it as sin 18 okay then both are same we can cut suppose here 5 is there down there is also 5 we can cut it 5 on the 5 is equal 1 okay like this way here also this one and this one both are same that's why is equal how much 1 by 1 is equal 1 okay like this way you have to do easy only not so hard then I am going to explain one more from this see next I am going to do any question which one 4 number 6 okay then 10 35 degree into 1060 into 1055 into 10 30 now see here আমি যদি ইয়াত চাওঁ first 35 plus 60 is equal more than 90. Then but 35 plus 55, if you add these two, then it will become 90. Okay, then since out of these two you have to change anyone. Suppose first I am writing 1035 only. 1035 into this 1055 can be written as 1090 minus 35. 90 minus 35 is equal 55 only. Okay, then this one is 1060, right, into 1060. Then 60 plus this 30 is equal how much? 90 degree. Then if you write this one as it is 1060, then you have to change this one. এটো যদি তোমালোকে একে ৰাখিছা তেনেহলে নেক্সট g2 প্লাস কোডে 90 পাইছিলো আমি কেটো কি কৰিম চেঞ্জ কৰিম ওকে দেন 1030 can be written as 1090 minus 60 90 minus 60 is equal 30 only. Okay, now 1045 will remain as 35 then into 1090 minus theta. 1090 minus theta is equal cot theta. Then here you have to write cot 35 degree. Okay, now 1060 will remain as 1060 into then 1090 minus theta is again is equal to cot theta. Cot in place of theta there is 60, put 60. Okay, then after this again one more formula you have to know. I have already teach in previous air growth video to saba mota bahut briefly bujhaisilo. Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Really আমি আগত যেনেকে লিখিছো সবত এনেকে লিখিম. Then this relation is between sin and cosec. That means 1 by sin theta is equal cosec theta. 1 by cos theta is equal sec theta. 1 by tan theta is equal cot theta. Or cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. Sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. And cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Okay? Now see, I mean to prothom to ji ase take likhisu 1035. Cot 35 can be written as 1 by 10. Cot can be written as 1 by 10. That means 1 by 10 35 into 1060 will remain as 1060. 1060 likhisu. Cot 60 can be written as 1 by 1060. Okay, তোমালোকে যদি কোনোবাই এটো কট ৰাখিম ইয়াক চেঞ্জ কৰিম বুলি ভাবিছা তেতিয়াও কৰিব পাৰিবা এটোক আমি কি বুলি লিখিব পাৰিম 1 বাই কট বুলি লিখিব পাৰিম তেতিয়া এটো চেঞ্জ নকৰো এটো এজ ইট ইজ ৰাখিম আকৌ নেক্সট তেতিয়া আমি এটো যদি 10 নাৰাখো এটো চেঞ্জ কৰি দিম তেতিয়া আমি কি লিখিব পাৰো ইট ক্যান বি ৰিটেন এজ 1 বাই কট দেন এটো কট আছে কটতে ৰাখিম ওকে নাও সে this one is upper term, this one is also upper term, but this one is lower term. Lower term, same term we can cut one times. Then here also same thing. Okay? Then here we are getting 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is equal how much? Okay? This is our answer like this way. এনেকে কৰিব লাগিব আৰু কাৰোবাৰ কিবা যদি অসুবিধা হয় তেতিয়াহলে কমেন্টত জনাবা বা ডাইৰেক্ট ফোন কৰিব পাৰিবা. Then go to next question number 2. Question number 2 also same like this way you have to do only. Question number 2 there is only 2 questions. I am going to solve one. First one is okay kuntu first ke korisu cos sorry eto second he likhi palo first to kori disu 1048 into 1023 into 1042 into 1067 is equal 1. Okay, you have to prove it so that this one is equal 1. Then if you have to show or you have to prove, then first you have to think about left hand side and right hand side. Which side is having more numbers or more terms, you have to solve that part only. That part first. Okay, that it will easy. Now see, A to side amar ki ase, right hand side only one ase. Gotike itwe amar ase, A to ke likho. Now left hand side solution. Left hand side. Left hand side what is there? 1048 into 1023 into 1042 into 1067. Okay? Now see, I mean, it is 48 or logot, it is only plus 90 pass. Okay? Then, I mean, it is a sense code. Yeah, today, one number may be like this way 3 into 5 into 7. Okay? Suppose one number is like this way 3 into 5 into 7. This number can be written as like this way also 5 into 3 into 7 or 7 into 5 into 3 or 5 into 7 into 3. Everywhere we are getting same result. Okay? I mean, if there is multiplication sign. Okay? If there is addition sign, all are plus, then also we can do like this way. Now, into I 1048 into this one. 1042 can be written as 90 minus 48. Okay? Then again, if you add 23 and 67, we are getting how much? 90. That means out of these two, one we can sense. One we have to sense. 10, 23 into 10. Here 67 is there. 67 can be written as 90 minus 23. Okay? Then after 1048 will remain as 1048. It will come in sense coding. 1090 minus theta is equal cot theta. Cot theta in place of theta there is 48. Put 48. Then 1023 into 1090 minus theta is again equal cot theta. Theta is equal 23. That's why I am writing 23. Okay. Now again go to here got G2 কৰিছিলো যেনেকে কৰিছিলো 1048 into etu আমি চেঞ্জ কৰি দিও 1 by 1048 then 1023 etu চেঞ্জ কৰি দিয়া 1 by 1023 then cancel is equal 1 is equal right hand side. Okay, hence proof. Okay, like this way we have to do only. Now see question number 3. Question number 3 is most important one for exam views. Exam views ot etu bahut important hoy alke sanna 10 if 10 2a is equal cot a minus 18, then find where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. See here how to do it. We know 1090 minus theta is equal cot theta and cot 90 minus theta is equal tan theta. We know this thing. Okay? Now see here, eta ase cotot, eta ase tanot. I mean, ye dutar bitor jikono eta ami mane sense kori. Okay? First you have to sense out of these two. But sometimes if you sense this one, there may be wrong because there is two term. You can তোমালোকৰ কি মাইনাস প্লাসত হয়তো ভুল হ'ব পাৰে গতিকে যেটো অকলিয়া টার্ম থাকে হেতুক সেন্স কৰিবলৈ চাবা okay now I am going to sense this one then 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a okay cot 90 minus 2a cot 90 minus theta is equal tan theta now cot 90 minus 2a is equal tan 2a okay now is equal this side also cot a minus 18. Now see, here is also cot, here is also cot. We can cut it. No need of cut, just think we can cut it. Then this, if you cut this one, then what will left? It implies 90 minus 2a is equal a minus 18. Okay, now আমি নাজানাবোৰ সদায় left hand side ত আনো, then আমি কি নাজানো, this is one of the variable and this is another variable বিলাকক আমি এটা সাইডলৈ লৈ আহিম। minus 2a, here minus 2a is there, then here no sign, that means plus. When it comes this side it will become minus, is equal, this side 18 is minus 18 is there, before 90 there is no sign, that means this is in plus. When it comes this side it will become minus. Okay, it implies minus 2 and minus a, here 2 thief and here 1 thief, it will make 3 thief. 3a is equal, this one is also minus, this one is also minus, then it will become 90 and 90 plus 18 is equal how much, 108. Okay, then this side also minus, this side also minus, we can cut it, then 3a is equal 108, then a is equal 108 divided by 3, then we can cut it, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 1 is left, 18, 3 6 are 18, a is equal how much, 36. Most important for exam use, exam karone important hoy, gotike bhalke saba. Okay, then this one, question number 4, I'll give a little hint, you have to do 2 or 3 lines. Question number 4, it will finish within 2 lines. See, 10a is equal what, b. Prove that, we have to prove what, a plus b is equal 90, we have to prove it. Now see, first 10a and cot b, then দুইটা বেলেগ, এটো 10 ত আছে, এটো কটত আছে, তেতিয়া আমি কোনোবা এটা কি কৰি চেঞ্জ কৰিম। ওকে, ফার্স্ট এটোকে চেঞ্জ কৰি দিছো, 10a can be written as cot 90 minus a, cot 90 minus a is equal cot b. Okay, cot 90 minus a is equal 10a, ইয়াত 10a আছিল, আমি 10a এর জায়গাত অলপ বেলেগকে লিখিছো। ওকে, নাও এটো cot and cot cancel, 90 minus a is equal b. Now আমি নাজানা বিলাকক সদায় এটা সাইডত আনো, minus a, when this one come this side it will become minus b is equal, when this one gone that side it will become minus 90, কিন্তু আমাক মাইনাস না লাগে, আমাক প্লাস লাগে, then multiply one negative side with this equation, then it will become minus into minus become plus a, minus into minus become plus b is equal, minus into minus become plus 90. Hence proved. Okay, now see question number 5. Question number 5 is same as question number 3. This is for your homework, তোমালোকে ঘৰত কৰিবা। Now see question number 6, most important. If AB and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C divided by 2 is equal cos A by 2. Okay, now what we have to prove, sin B plus C divided by 2 is equal cos C by, cos, here C is there, here A, cos A by 2. Okay, then they are telling A, B and C are 3 interior angles of a triangle. মানে কি, এটা একটা triangle, this is a triangle, these are interior angles, suppose this one is A, this one is B and this one is C, they are telling like that. Okay, now here you have to write, we know that sum of 3 interior angle of a triangle is equal, angles of a triangle is equal 180. এখন তোমালোকে লিখি দিবা, we know that sum of 3 interior angles of a triangle is equal 180 degree. It implies a plus b plus c is equal how much, 180 degree. Or you can directly write এটো লাইন নিলিখিলেও হ'ব, এটো লাইন নিলিখিলে যদি এনেকুৱাকে লিখা a plus b plus c is equal 180 degree, then here you have to put the angle sum property. Okay, যদি এটো লিখিছা এটো নিলিখিলেও হ'ব। Now আমাক left side of ki lage b and c. Okay, b and c amak left side of lage. Then b and c rakhi dia. B and c is equal 180 minus a is not here. When a gone that side, it will become minus a. Okay, then after dividing the equation by 2, we needed 1 2 no, then dividing the equation by 2, what we will got? B plus c, b by 2 c by 2 is equal 180 by 2 minus a by 2. Okay, we are dividing all this equation by 2. Then if you take LCM, here you will got b plus c, then down there will be 2, then is equal, we can cut it. Here we are getting 90 minus a by 2. Okay, now b plus c divided by 2 already came. Now we want one sign, we have to multiply one sign with this one. Okay, then after you multiply, then after right, multiply the equation by sign. Then after multiplying the equation by sign, what we will go? Sin b plus c by 2. We got this side is equal. Here also you have to multiply. If you multiply, suppose here x is equal 2 plus 1. If you multiply this side 2, then here also you have to multiply what? 2. Since here I am doing same thing. If you multiply sign here, then here also you have to multiply sign. Then what is here? 90 minus a by 2. Now see here sign. আমাক এটো সাইড দৰকাৰ হৈ আছে, যিখিনি দৰকাৰ আছে সেইখিনি আমি চেঞ্জ নকৰো আৰু sin b plus c divided by 2 is equal, we know sin 90 minus theta is equal cos theta. In place of theta there is a by 2. Which one we have to prove? We already got it. Okay, hence prove. Okay, do it. Then question number 7. Now see next question. Question number 7. Express sin 67 and cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratio angles between 0 and 45 degree. One is 67. One is 67 and another is 75. All these are not between 0 and 45. এটো 0 and 45 or মাজত থাকে না, এটো থাকে না। Then আমি এটা 0 আৰু 45 ডিগ্ৰীৰ মাজলৈ আনিব লাগে। আগত কি আছে? Here before this one there is sin, then here's plus sign is there, then here this one is cos. Okay, আমি যদি এটো এনেকুৱাকে লিখো, sin 67 can be written as 90 minus 23. 90 minus 23 is equal 67. Then plus cos 75 can be written as cos 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 is equal 75. Okay. Now this one sin 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta, cos 23 plus cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta. In place of theta there is 15. Now see this angle and this angle is between 0 and 45 degree. You have to do till here only. Okay, এনেকে কৰিব লাগিব। Then ভিডিওটো বহুত দীঘল হৈছে, মই নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 8 ৰ পৰা আৰু এটা কৰি দিওঁ, তোমালোকে বেলেগ কিটা কৰিবা, কোনটো কৰো লাষ্টটোকে কৰি দিছো। Okay, now see if sin 3x sin 3x plus 10 is equal cos x plus 24 then find the value of x এটা x ৰ ভ্যালু উলিয়াব লাগে এটা চোৱা এটো cos আছে এটো sin আছে আমি কাটা কাটি কৰিব নোৱাৰো কিন্তু আমি যদি এটোক আমি cosলে নি লব পাৰো তেতিয়া হলে আমি কৰিব পাৰিম okay now this one can be written as cos 90 see here cos 90 minus theta you think this whole as theta okay 90 minus theta theta is equal 3x plus 10 but here since this sign is minus if you did not use this bracket here then your answer will be wrong okay then is equal cos this side eto ami cosole anilo ketu cosote ase x plus 24 okay now see this one cos and cos cancel then here 90 minus 3x plus 10 is equal x plus 24 এখানে ম্যাক্সিমাম ভুল করে কি ব্র্যাকেট ইউজ নকৰে আমি যদি মাইনাস চিন আগত থাকে ব্র্যাকেট যদি ইউজ নকৰো ভুল হ'ব যদি ব্র্যাকেটটো যদি আমি খুলিম তে কি হ'ব সববিলাক সাইন কি হ'ব উল্টা হ'ব if there is plus then it will become minus 90 here plus into minus became minus 3x plus into minus became minus 10 is equal x plus 24 আমি নাজানা বিলাকক এটা সাইডলে লৈ আহো minus 3x is here with variable then this one is also with variable no sign that means plus when it will come this side it will become minus is equal here 24 is here 24 then here 90 minus 10 is equal 80 when 80 gone that side it will become minus 80 okay now we are getting minus 3x minus x is equal minus 4x is equal when you subtract this one then you will got 56 okay minus 56 because 80 is more before 80 there is minus sign then here also you have to put minus sign minus and minus cancel x is equal 56 divided by 4 then cut it 4 1s are 4 4 1s are 4 1 is left 16 4 4s are 16 okay x is equal how much x is equal 14 this one will be your answer okay thank you students video to সোৱাৰ বাবে ধন্যবাদ আৰু ভিডিওটো যদি ভাল লাগিছে লাইক কৰিবা মই আগৰ ভিডিওটো কৈছিল তোমালোকৰ পাছতে দুটা লাইক দুটা কমেন্ট পাও তেতিয়া হলে ভিডিওবোৰ কৰিবলৈ মন যায় আৰু যদি চেনেলটো নতুনকৈ আহিছে আগৰ ভিডিওবোৰ পাই থাকিবৰ কাৰণে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব নকৰাকৈ নাথাকিবা থ্যাংক